Hi, this is Sarah of Spa and Wellness Mexicaribe, and I'm here at the Edition Riviera Maya Canay at the Spa Peeps Elevate Spa event. We've had an amazing few days. I'm here with Shane. Tell us a little bit about what we've been doing the last few days, Shane.
Yeah, we've curated something very intimate and special, bringing together leaders in the industry across hospitality and bringing together vendor partners within that space and creating an environment that's really built around education, intimacy, and family. And that's one of the biggest things that we kind of pride ourselves on is you don't leave here not feeling like part of the family, the wolf pack we call it. But it's really an amazing opportunity to engage, interact, communicate, build on your experience within the industry and just leaders of the industry sharing their knowledge and experience. We've had some amazing education over the last few days, some one-on-one meetings, vendors and buyers, and just really a special environment in an amazing place.
Wonderful. Thanks so much, Shane. Thanks for sharing. And if you haven't attended Spa Peeps, put it on your calendar for next year.
Thanks, guys.